Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look for you guys today. For today's look, I will be creating this look right here. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I'm going in with concealer and then setting it in place with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using the Kaleidos Escape the Pod palette, mixing these two shades right here, and this is going to be our transition color. So I'm just grabbing a big fluffy brush and applying this into my crease. I did just get two brand new palettes from Kaleidos that were sent to me, so I will be doing tutorials on those two new palettes. They are absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to use them. Next, I'm going into an angled brush and this dark orange shade, and I'm just applying this in the center of my crease as a line of definition. And I'm going all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I am winging out that outer edge for a cat eye shape. And then I'm grabbing a smaller tapered brush and the darker salmon shade, and we're just going to be buffing that line out in left and right motions, literally just going over top of that line in left and right motions, not bringing it any higher. And then I'm grabbing this angled brush and the dark brown shadow in the palette, going directly over top of that line where we previously applied it. Next, I mix the dark orange shade and the light salmon shade together, and we are just going in left and right motions once again over top of that line, and this is going to really diffuse that dark brown shade and really mesh everything together. As you guys can see, we have a nice gradient now, so I like to slowly build depth and slowly blend each shade. And then I'm going into my angled brush and my concealer and just carving my lid and also setting it with some translucent powder. Next, I'm going into this metallic green shade and a flat brush and just pressing this all over the lid. And this is absolutely a stunning shade. All of the metallic shades in the palette are seriously amazing, so highly recommend. And then I'm going into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter in the shade Color Wave, and I did apply a line of glitter glue first, and I'm just pressing this glitter over top of it. Next, I just grabbed my small tapered brush and the orange shade, and I'm just applying this to the outer corner, making the most pigmented part on that very outer edge, and then just doing dragging inward motions to blend it in with the green shade. And then I wanted to add more depth, so I went into the dark brown shadow with this small condensed brush. And we're going to be focusing this mainly on that outer corner once again, but this is going to be very blended and then peeling off the tape. Lashes, I applied my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. They are currently $10 on the site. Everything is 50% off, and once we are sold out, we will not be restocking, so don't forget to check out our sale. I'll have it linked down below. For my waterline, I applied my Urban Decay Double Life liner, and then I just applied the salmon shade on the lower lash line. For mascara, I'm applying my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. And for my inner corner, I'm using my Pixie highlight. All the product details will be linked in the description box down below. And this is the finished look right here. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to help support our channel. Go ahead and give us a comment also. That really helps us out a lot. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!